and Miss Alia
Alberba.
The whisper in the morning of lovers leaping tide are rolling by like thunder now as I look in your eyes. I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all I can. This is how I'm feeling, lying in your arms. When the world starts to mourn, that ends when I'm through. Even though there may be time, it seems that far away. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I am always be by your side. 'Cause I'm your lady
ng tanghalan from Luzon. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Alia Alberba. Baka naman may pasarunson dyan, Kuya Marvin.
Ha?
Baka naman may pasarunson na kanta dyan.
Anong pasarunson?
May pasarunson na kanta dyan.
Yes.
Na Alia.
Ano pa, Aliyah?
Nasasarapan kong makinig.